Good morning. My name is Erika Tatiana Castro Lopez. I am apprentice of the Saint and course of Technical Development in Tourist Design. Today I will give a little information on attractions and activities that we perform in this beautiful city in front of the Silvis Akar. This great monument has honored illustrious composers of native intermediate. Here is beautiful too and gambit. We also have the gallery Luis Acalpo. We are found in 2008. We can see photographs and paintings of Waldorf cities and cultures. They can be attract places in the science. We continue to Santa Barbara Church in Bull of Town and Rame Air has some memories of colonial is named because in past Linden field on the church and because to its part. Saint Barbara protect to all know the canon de Dona Ana Joaquina. Here was in the price of history composed with a palpo and is here with the Spanish church our old boss just has concrete and from the we can hear the waterfall do Santa Fe was your inspiration on the teacher to compose station and internet. We drank in my part and the wind remodeled with the former mature William Herrera and he is the most important in the memorial part. Herald developed cultural dice in every country the enchant with you can rest and we will sing the beautiful gardens of rabbits. We also have beautiful natural cities, Chual, waterfall, the mountain, the Virgin, which is divided in a series of beautiful cascades, and expect the rainbow in Conon for the beautiful rainbow that visit cascade at the ridges and how the glacier by the water shows the beautiful waterfall at millions of tourists who are passing the unseen natural resources in this waterfall interactive canyon stream adventures for other attractions are the Cabo Chocolate. This is collected 6 kilometers from the village and around the stand of 600 meters. Here in rapid 45 meters, we adopt can consume to place meat is delicious, but we can do enjoy a scene in the water food beginning fashion the year where you can relax in the air on the water. Dentro cabe un colaje de 18 kilómetros por the 20 minutos. Nearly one room track, a policy to large rooms on air side one room and different small rooms is middle on the two rooms passing a small stream. This clause is giving the Palmar Lagoon colocada 14 kilometers from the top. Its time is a diameter of 1 kilometer. I'm very pleased to ask if you enjoy the beautiful blue water food different west to Cape One, Lord and Little One. There must and legends in the Horney with Kanwai and the rain with secrets is what her one connect to different city and what is what into the will during or only we have the spear break cable in those 100 to 1 and 5 kilometers while the tourist place are admirable view to its front side and then can be the beautiful in this country the holding event like festival is for performance 28 años in commemoration on the Master of Internet. Are invited to a school and the community in general and the school participants. Luis Calvo remembering that in the presentation the Master Luis Calvo for the Assurance Mortar Day is celebrated on 8 May. The name of Master Luis Calvo for the Archelaus Mother's Day is celebrated on us in the news of Brussels will happen to 24 December.